Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure I wet my whistle before I begin. Okay, so this video is primarily for those who are accountants, CPAs, bookkeepers. I had a request, so here it is. Definitely want to try to appease and get the information out that's requested of me. So jumping right in, this position is with Belay. Belay also has virtual assistants. That's not my focus for this video though. My focus is the virtual bookkeepers. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on that and jump right into it for this. Alright, so what Belay is expecting is you to be able to pay clients' bills on a weekly basis, bank statement reconciliation, journal and data entry coding, provide clients with weekly and monthly reports, account receivable aging weekly, accounts payable aging weekly, monthly aging weekly, balance sheet monthly aging monthly, balance sheet monthly, P&L monthly, budget to actual monthly, statement on cash flow monthly, other custom reports as required, maintain and manage the chart of accounts, debit, credit cards and reconciliation, 1099 preparation and process payrolls including setup, scheduling and frequency. The key attributes are be extremely self-motivated, responsible, responsive and trustworthy, ability to manage confidential information, proactive, pragmatic and resourceful problem solver, ability to deliver excellent customer service and care, exceptional response exceptional, responsive, and available during regular business hours, excellent written, email, and text, etc., and verbal, phone, video conferencing communication. The qualifications are bachelor's degree in business, accounting, finance, or related field preferred, at least 5 years prior accounting or bookkeeping and payroll experience, in-depth understanding of QuickBooks and/or other bookkeeping platforms, for example, Xero, FreshBooks, Peachtree, Sage, etc., experience processing payroll, iSolve, QB, Integrated Payroll, Sage, ADP, Gusto, Paychex, Payable, just to name a few. You need an in-home office setup including Mac or PC computer with a minimum of 1 GHz of dual-core processor, 8 GB of bits of space, and webcam, high-speed internet access, and smartphone with email capabilities. This is a 1099 contractor role. All applicants may be subject to a background check prior to an offer of employment or contract being issued. Belay participates in E-Verify. So if this is a position that you are interested in, you bookkeepers, accountants, CPAs, the link will be below. Alright, and I have a couple more for you. Let's see. This one is with the ABBM group, and just before I go any further, with them you have to either mail your resume to them at this address or you would fax it. They do give you the option to email, but I wasn't able to find an email for them. I called them and I was on, it's a lot of different prompts I had to go through. So I'm like, let me just get the video out and just give them a heads up. But you also see if you wanted to call and get the email, you could. Alright, so with this position, says they are looking for a telecommuting staff accountant, permanent part-time, seeking telecommuting staff accountant, CPA required, should have at least 3 years prior public accounting experience, must have your own computer including a modem. We will furnish necessary software. As you know, that means they'll provide the software. Will primarily prepare individual, partnership, and corporate tax returns, including reviewing accounting records and making adjustments necessary to prepare tax returns. Not necessarily that you live in Houston, but would prefer Texas residents if possible. Position is ideal for a mom or stay-at-home dad who have their CPA certificate and who left practice to raise children and now want to work from home part-time. Or B, people who have retired from public accounting who want to work from home. So this will be a new concept for us, so there may be some kinks to be worked out. However, they are convinced it can be done. So like I said, if this is something you'll be interested in, I'll post the link below where you can see their fax number and their address, so you can send your email. And they're also interested in student interns. They're seeking 1 or 2 part-time student interns to work in the Houston office, interns. So I'm not going to continue with this, just so you know it's their student interns. This is not a remote position for interns. Alright, so if that's something, you're listening to this, you got a kid, someone in the Houston area, this is not the student intern is not remote. It's in the Houston office. Just the CPA is the remote position, okay, the telecommute. Alright, so moving right along, do have another one here for you, and this is what accountingdepartment.com. So we're going to scroll right down here, and with accountingdepartment.com, they have a few different positions that are available to work from home, remote positions. They have a virtual accounting specialist, they have a virtual senior controller, CPA, and they also have a virtual staff accountant. Alright, I'm going to click on the first one, which is the virtual accountant specialist, and I got to come down here to see the description. So let me read your role. We're looking for a self-motivated, high-energy accounting specialist. Position responsible for AP, AR, payroll, and month-end closing services, as well as other accounting-related functions as requested by the client. The right individual for this position will be able to successfully prioritize and manage multiple client needs while maintaining a high level of accounting services and professionalism. How you will contribute. You must be a U.S. citizen who resides in the United States. Candidates outside of the United States will not be considered. 3+ years performing full charge bookkeeping, 2 years using QuickBooks software. Most recent experience on resume. Demonstrates ability to handle multiple accounts simultaneously. Exceptional attention to detail with excellent written and verbal communication skills. Strong work ethic, whatever it takes attitude. Must be decisive and work well under pressure. Confidence in one's abilities and able to work independently with minimal direction. So this one is a work from home W-2 position. Generous vacation and paid holidays, group medical, dental, life, vision, and accidental insurance, 401 plan, and casual dress. Alright, so if this is a position that you'll be interested in, you CPAs, bookkeepers, accountants, the link will be below. Alright, so that's going to conclude this video. These are the top 3 that I found, so I wanted to get them out there and share them with you. I will be doing more in the future for you guys, accountants, CPAs, and bookkeepers out there. So thank you for coming to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so when my next video comes out, you'll be aware of it. Thank you, and have a great day.